not the swear words on my Christian stream.
Are any VTubers actually good at driving? I don't know. I think most VTubers have born with the ADHD disease. So, that means no. Yes. You know, I have a really good adrenaline rush in my body that activates. So, I would have been a good race driver.
Flashback.
And if it's dark, they're gonna...
End of flashback.
If it wasn't for my ADHD, right? And the fact that I don't know how to slow down, apparently, I don't know if you guys are supposed to know that. 30 points for that one. I don't know if you guys are supposed to know, but basically when you take curves, you're supposed to slow down. I learned that recently. And I don't do the slow part. I'm speeding on salads up in here. That's what I am. I'm good at the bumper cards. That's what I think.